Yes, hi, I'm Justin Deering, and as promised to my Twitter followers, I'm going to give myself a manicure with a bench grinder. Okay, so over here we have the coarse wheel. Over here we have the not particularly coarse wheel. I'm going to let this spin up to speed, and then I'm going to let it spin down. I'm not going to grind my fingers at full speed. I've removed most things from this bench. I've got the vise in the corner over here. I'll get rid of that. That with a Sharpie. I've got some miscellaneous things here. This actually, bench grinder does not really vibrate all that much. However, it seems to resonate at like the natural frequency of the plastic and aluminum in my miter saw. So if I have that on that, once this gets up to full speed, once it hits that top speed, boom, the miter saw vibrates crazily, so I do not keep the miter saw and this both bolt to the desk. Luckily, my miter saw is very easy to remove because of my use of T-nuts. This I did not do a good job of centering. Anyway, let's turn this on, see how noisy it gets. Not very noisy, not very noisy. Now, as you can see, this is maximum speed, and it cycles into a very nice resonation. Here are my nails. They're too long. I feel like that's creasing down. Okay, that is too fast. That is way too fast. Yes, you just watched a spark come from my fingers. Oh, and I did not have my safety glasses on when I did that. Anyway, do not attempt this. This is probably very dangerous. Yeah, my fingers get hot when I do this. I mean, I'm not burning myself, but like I'm not hitting even a first-degree burn, but that's some heat right there. Anyway, do not get your skin on this at all. Okay, so I got through. Okay, I got through all but my pinky finger. These are much shorter now, much shorter. Yeah. So compare that to So just a before and after. Let's compare my fingernails. I feel like that weird priest from that movie Doubt, basically with about a priest who might have been molesting a little kid. Not a true story. But anyway, a very good story I recommend seeing. I mean, even Catholic priests I know think it's a very good story because it's just so nuanced. But anyway, yeah, but he had a thing. He had long fingernails. He was kind of weird. Anyway, let's go for round two. Yeah, that was... Definitely the smell of burning flesh there. Anyway, this is, don't try this. Okay, I've got 2 more fingers to do. Anyway, don't do that. That's a really, really stupid idea. Really stupid. Here's something that... Yeah, that's a really stupid idea. But here's something that's not a really stupid idea. This is actually going to make sparks fly. I'm going to make a point of saying, yes, I absolutely do have my safety glasses on for this one. Okay? This is an old axe head. This over here is called mushrooming, okay? Now, basically, you're not supposed to hit the back of an axe. You're not supposed to use an axe as a splitter. You're not supposed to hit it with a mallet or whatever. But if you do, anytime you hit anything with a hammer, for example, a cold chisel, the back over here is supposed to be soft. And it will be hardened over time, the same way a blacksmith hammer will harden metal. It'll harden it, and it will form these mushrooms. And the problem with these mushrooms are super hard, and when they do chip, they can go flying, and you're not supposed to let them get this big at all. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to remove this, and you're also supposed to actually remove the temper on this side of the metal. This side of the metal where the blade is supposed to be super, super hard. This side should be soft, and this side should be chamfered at an interior angle to resist this mushrooming, and it should be soft because you don't want the mushroom to get too hard. This is going to make sparks fly, but this is actually a lot safer than what I just did before. Anyway, I'll do a separate video with this, but I got a long way to go with this one. But yeah, and I should actually go move my fire extinguisher from the kitchen in here. I did vacuum up most of the things that could catch sparks, but yeah, and it's a moist night. But anyway, so that's the real use for the grinder over there. That's the real use for that thing over there. Maybe I'll do that. And thanks for watching.